Hello, Shashin. Thank you very much for being here at JBoss OneDayTalk 2011. You had a very interesting talk this morning about cloud computing and the special background of Red Hat. And I want to talk about that topic with you. Perhaps it's nice if you would introduce yourself and talk about what you are doing right now.
So, I'm a middleware program manager working for the doc in Red Hat. I've been doing consulting since 10 years almost, talking with the customers, solving their problems, and I'm an expert in middleware as well as Red Hat Linux technologies.
Okay. When we talk about JBoss, most of the people are thinking about the application server product, but JBoss is far more than that. Can you give us an overview?
Yes, definitely. So Red Hat and JBoss in general has grown as a company over the last few years, and we are expanding into a lot of other products. So typically the perception that we are JBoss and we are JBoss means just an application server only is wrong from my perspective. We are also having products around SOA in general, the portal technologies. We also are going to launch the enterprise data grid products and also in the area of the data services as well. So we are expanding into different focus areas as well.
Okay. The community evangelists told that Java EE7 will contain some cloud-specific infrastructure. Do you know about that?
Yes, so there is quite an interest in this area as well, where different vendors have different opinions on this. Some would like to have some specific bits included into the specification of the Java EE7 about in the area of the cloud technology and cloud computing. But it's still, as I say, right now under discussion and debate is going on, and every vendor has their own take on this, and so we'll have to wait and see what comes out.
Okay. Now we come to the topic itself, cloud computing. What strategy does Red Hat run on this?
So from the strategic perspective, the main goal or the strategy that Red Hat is following up is choice. We want to have an open choice for our customers. And if you look at the architectural pictures from today's presentation at the OneDayTalk, and also some of our other published documents, you can clearly see that we are focusing on open choice architecture, meaning we would like to have our customers give independence with the technology of the cloud they want to run with. So we can run on VMware, Hyper-V, Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization, and also public cloud as well, Amazon, Rackspace, and some other stuff.
So portability is an important point.
Yeah, so basically the whole architecture is portable from the hardware to the virtualization layer to the applications to the infrastructure pieces, all of them.
Okay. And what do you think are the greatest advantages of the cloud computing stuff?
Well, so it's a market buzzword, as we all know. But there are also advantages for this, and typically in the area of the operations and the way IT has been managed until today. So automation is the key, and the self-service aspect is also something which cloud brought in today, which is new also, meaning you allow your users to basically define and order in minutes whatever they want for their specific needs. So that's the key benefit. Automation is the key again. How fast you can get this stuff done, how fast you can get access to the resources, the infrastructure pieces, and the services they require. So that's also an additional benefit. And I would say that the traditional IT would still stay as long as we have this private cloud category in place. Meaning only the way and the roles will change, but the traditional IT will still stay there.
So, yeah, because of security and data ownership.
Yeah, that's the key aspect about this. When we discuss about the data protection, the laws are different because each and every country has their own legal requirements around this. The rules are different, and of course, the data is the key for the customers, and the value of the data is much more higher than just the infrastructure and the resources you run with. Right? So that's the main key aspect there. Sure, that's also additional one. So that means that will basically take into the private cloud model more in the near future or in the short-term future, unless we sort out the regulations or rules around the data protection for the public cloud usage.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for your opinions. I hope you feel comfortable at JBoss OneDayTalk today at the conference. What do you like? Do you like the conference?
Yeah, so I was very excited, and I like it because I met good people here, and also was able to get an insight into some different topics about what's coming up, new technologies, and also was able to meet some users to get a perspective about the way they think of using our technologies and what's coming up. So that was an exciting part of this, and it was good enough for me to learn some additional stuff about different people here. So that was a good positive aspect.
Oh, fine, yeah. Yeah, we are very glad to have you here, and we would be happy if you will join us next year again.
Sure, definitely. We'll have to wait for that and see.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.